The practice of gratitude journaling isn't just about feeling good. It's about rewiring your brain in ways that can make a world of difference. Here are the facts: mood enhancer and brain rewiring. The simple act of expressing gratitude invites your brain to release dopamine and serotonin, those magical neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions. They're like immediate mood boosters. But that's not all. When you jot down things you're thankful for, you're training your brain to focus on positivity. It's like giving your mind a makeover, helping you see those silver linings in life, even on the cloudiest days. Reduce stress and anxiety. Gratitude journaling has been linked to lower levels of stress and anxiety. When life feels like a roller coaster, this practice can be your anchor, helping you put things into perspective and find calm amid the chaos. Mental resilience. The secret ingredient is repetition. By consciously practicing gratitude every day and putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, you're strengthening those neural pathways. Think of it as a mental workout that flexes your brain's positivity muscles, ultimately creating a permanent positive shift in your thought patterns. So if you're ready to say goodbye to anxiety, depression, and fear, it's time to experiment with a gratitude journal. Be grateful. Be well.